Yo, buddy. This is how we do this thing. So here's your Alameda spreadsheet here. We need to do three things here, obviously. We need to put these two columns together, which is really easy. And then we need to separate. I'm sorry, we need to delete this last word here and then separate these two. So easy way to do this. I Googled around to figure it out, but this one's pretty easy. Here we're just going to do equals cell A1, which is our 565, and quotation marks here with the space in between means it'll put a space, and then and or also cell C1. So boom. Oh, and actually, you know what? We should fix this. Let's just fix this before we do this. So for this one right here, I Googled around and I just asked how do we remove the last word from an Excel cell. Looked around, and then I found this little formula here. So all you do is take the formula and make it fit to cat jumping on me what we're doing here. So here's our thing. We're going to use this formula in this cell right here, and it'll get rid of all the last little words. So I actually already did it here, and you'll see. Just replace all this stuff here with C1, C1, C1. That's the cell we're working on. And then boom, you see it'll get rid of that. So, and then from there you're going to copy the formula all the way down to the bottom. That fixes all that stuff. From there, these are just formulas. These aren't actual text. So before we can get rid of this, you want to copy this whole row and then paste it back in as the actual values. So now it's real stuff. You can get rid of this column. Now we're going to do what I was saying before. We're going to say equals A1 and space and C1, which will combine all that stuff. So same deal here. Copy the formula all the way down. That fixes our street stuff. Same thing again. You want to copy the whole thing. Paste it back on here as characters. Get rid of this column. We get rid of this one too, of course. And so now we just need to separate these two things. I'm going to use this same formula thing here, whatever this is. You can see I already changed the inside to, or I'm sorry, actually we'll need to change it to B for this one since it moved over. So, because we're working on this cell right here, so change that to B. Oops. B. Change that to B. And there you go. So that'll separate all that stuff. Same thing. Copy it down. Probably you. So boom, we've got this same thing. It's just values at this point. So to make it real, copy, paste the actual values, get rid of this. Now we just go ahead and insert our state. Of course, is California. Same thing. Copy it down there. And that is it, buddy. So I will send this thing back to you here. I always just will take, I'll just cut here, insert here, delete the middle column, and you're good to go there, and you got the rest of whatever you want to take care of. So that's how we do it, buddy. Talk to you later.